I do have one meal a day that's pretty much always the same though. That's my sandwich. I gotta get my sandwich in.
Okay.
Is it a peanut butter
like
sandwich?
moose meat?
Do you even
kind
yeah
of
do you change up what's in the sandwich, or is it
Always
the same
the same.
sandwich?
It's my
Always
staple.
the same sandwich every day.
What is the sandwich, Etho? You got to
Yeah,
give
what's
us
in
details.
there?
Yeah, it's gotta be good, man.
So I get like a baguette
Yeah.
with provolone cheese, some
Roblod cheese. You get that's expensive cheese.
provolone.
Oh, provolone. Okay.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, cause like that I can't say it. Roblochon is like from France. It's like you're
Roblochon?
importing some French cheese. Okay, go on. Yeah, go on. So baguette, cheese. Is this a king sandwich?
A king?
Yeah, like if
Well,
you get a whole baguette and you're filling it with like lettuce and cold cuts and whatever else,
It's a
that's
big
what I
meal.
would call a king sandwich.
It's like a foot long, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, so like
dude
a,
eats
Yeah,
a
dude.
foot-long
Is that
sandwich
every day?
every day.
Oh yeah. They say bread's not good for you, but I'm trying to prove them wrong.
how's it going?
Still alive.
Still alive.
I'll
Good
check
to
in
know,
with you
buddy.
tomorrow.
Wouldn't have guessed.
So we've established bread, cheese. Are you just eating a cheese sandwich, man?
Hungarian salami.
Okay.
Oh.
Hello.
Right.
He has got the premium cold cuts.
He's
I usually
got
put some
taste.
lettuce on, tomatoes, salt and pepper, and then like a vinegar-based dressing, basalt or
Balsamic.
balsamic.
He said he didn't
Fancy.
cook. That's the most gourmet sandwich that anyone has
Fancy
every day
sandwich.
I've ever heard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It takes
Gonna
me a
more
good like 10 minutes to make it. It's like a full
Oh
deal.
my god.
How do you every day?
More expensive than his PC.
I was gonna
That's
say the
not
man has
difficult.
imported meats, but he has a 20-year-old mouse pad.
Yeah, his
That's
mouse
where the
pad's
money's
falling
going.
apart. But if you just pan the camera to the left, there's a big hunk of meat hanging from the side where he just slices off a fresh slice every afternoon for his
Got
sandwich.
a dry aging in the corner, you know.
Yeah, he's got it. It's yeah, he's dry aging some Hungarian meat there.
Got the
Dang,
moose
that
in the
does
other
sound like
corner.
a nice sandwich, I'll tell you that.
It's a pretty good sandwich.
Yeah.
I like it. Oh, and I
Well,
also have
so
like dill pickles on the side.
On the side, not on top.
This
Solid.
doesn't
Wait,
feel real.
sorry.
This is such a strange thing. You have like the most gourmet sandwich every day.
Dinner, Ansgar.
I don't know if
Jeez.
I'd call it gourmet. It's just like
Who makes that sandwich every day?
It's the Hungarian meat that does it.
Yeah.
it's Hungarian meat at a deli, not like I'm
Very
importing it from
important
Hungary.
Okay.
Am I crazy? Is no one else like
No,
this is kind of
absolutely.
strange? It's a strange
Yeah,
thing.
you guys are trying to like paint me as this weirdo all the time. I'm telling
I
you,
don't
it's just a
think we're trying to
standard
paint you-
Bro,
sandwich.
I think-
you make the most intense sandwich.
Every
every day.
day.
You also make everything sound so mysterious, Etho.
that is one of your biggest flaws.
Well, I am a YouTuber. It's part of the job, right? You gotta dramatize
Are you gonna?
everything.
When are you gonna tell us like all the stuff that you've been telling us is just not true? When are you gonna pull the, haha, gotcha?
Oh, I wish I could.